Bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. So here we have, we are together to sing another French song. So this one is called Il pleut, bergère. First of all, let me tell you a little bit the origin of the song. Okay, Il pleut, bergère. C'est une chanson de l'opéra comique. So it's, as I told you, there was the fun opera. The fun opera is like, before there was no cinema, so people would go to the theater and they would enjoy the fun songs. Okay, so this one is written in 1780 par Fabre d'Églantine. Okay, so it's very old song, 1780. Okay, okay, il pleut, bergère. The sing it. Okay. Oh yeah, that's very interesting. So apparently this song, it's very interesting. They were singing this song the next day of the French Revolution. So in 15 juillet 1789, in 14 juillet, the people of Paris, they revolt and they took La Bastille. La Bastille was the jail, was the prison of the king. So people, the crowds of Paris, they was not happy because they didn't have bread, they didn't have food, and they went there and they gathered in front of this jail. And in the end, they attacked the jail and they took the jail. In fact, the jail, they opened the door and then the people took it. Okay. And the next day, apparently, the National Guard, they sing this song. And why they sing this song? Because bergère. Now, so I will explain the song to you. The bergère is the woman who keep the goat or who keep the animals in the field. Okay, in bergère. And il pleut means it's raining. It's raining. So the song is about the bergère and say it's raining. You have to go back because it's raining. And something very funny is Marie Antoinette, she was the queen, and most French people didn't like her. Why? Because she was a foreigner, she was Austrian, and she didn't like being the queen. She never wanted to come to France, she didn't feel good, she didn't have any friend. The king didn't care about her. The king would spend his whole day in the forest hunting, and he didn't care so much. And many French people didn't like her. She said l'Autrichienne, the Austrian, the foreigner, the foreign queen. They didn't like her. And what she would do is she had a small garden, so she would go in this garden and she would plant. So there are many gardeners, and she would play as if she was someone from the countryside, and that was very funny for her, So she would have several animals, so people would call her la bergère. La bergère is someone, as I told you, someone who is taking care of the animals, puts the animals in the field and waiting, and then and when it means it rains, it means, and this, why did they sing this song? Because when they say it rains, it means, yeah, now it's really the trouble for you. It rains, and the queen, la bergère, the queen, you have to go back. You have to. Now you're done, And apparently, when she, but who knows? They said that, yeah, okay. So that's the story. Let's have a look now. Let's have a look. Okay, at the song. Okay, let me take. Oh, it's very long. It's very long. It's very long. So what we'll do is we'll just sing the first paragraph because I'm not going to explain all of it. So that's the first one. Okay. First one. And the title is Il pleut, bergère. So that's the title. Tac, tac. So I will put it twice. Okay. So il pleut, bergère. Il pleut means it rains. Bergère, the bergère is the woman who keep the lamb, in the field. Le berger is the one who keep the animals in the field. In fact, you still have this kind of people, especially in the south of France. There are still people like this. They go shepherd, I think shepherd in English. Il pleut, bergère. So it rains, shepherd. Rentre tes blancs moutons. Rentre, it means go back inside, rentre, entrez. When someone rings at the door, then I hit my knuckle. Then you say entre, come in, rentre. Rentre tes blancs moutons, so your white lamb, get them come in. Allons sous ma chaumière, so let's go under the chaumière is a hut, the small the smoke cabin. So let's go under the smoke cabin. Bergère. Vite, allons. Hurry, let's go. J'entends sous le feuillage. I can hear. Under the rain. L'eau qui tombe à grand bruit. The water is falling and making a lot of noise. Qui tombe, it's falling. À grand bruit, it's making a lot of noise. Voici venir l'orage. So voici, so this is, venir l'orage. Coming the storm. Voici l'éclair qui luit. L'éclair is the what do you say? The lightning. The lightning is coming. The lightning is shining, lui. Okay. So let's repeat together. Hein? Let's repeat together. 3 times. Il pleut, bergère. Rentre tes blancs moutons. Allons sous ma chaumière. Bergère, vite, allons. J'entends sous le feuillage l'eau qui tombe à grand bruit. Voici venir l'orage. Voici l'éclair qui luit. Okay. Let's do it one more time. Il pleut, bergère. Rentre tes blancs moutons. Allons sous ma chaumière. Bergère, vite, allons. J'entends sous le feuillage l'eau qui tombe à grand bruit. Voici venir l'orage, voici l'éclair qui luit. Third time. Il pleut, bergère. Rentre tes blancs moutons. Allons sous ma chaumière. Bergère, vite, allons. J'entends sous le feuillage l'eau qui tombe à grand bruit. Voici venir l'orage. Voici l'éclair qui luit. Okay, let me ask you a few questions, just a few easy ones. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. It's raining. Il pleut. Il pleut, okay. White lamp, white lamp. The lamp. Mouton, mouton. And blanc mouton, the white lamp, okay. Hurry up, let's go. Hurry up, let's go. Vite, 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 vite. Hurry up, vite, vite. Allons, allons. The storm is coming. The storm is coming. L'orage, the storm, l'orage. Voici venir l'orage. The storm is coming. Okay. What else? Get back inside. Get back inside. Get back inside. Rentre. Rentre. Rentrer means go inside. Rentre. Okay. Let's try and sing the song together with the instrumental. It's more fun. Okay. Il pleut, bergère, presse tes blancs moutons. Allons sous ma chaumière, bergère, vite, allons. J'entends sous le feuillage l'eau qui tombe à grand bruit. Voici, voici l'orage. Voilà l'éclair qui luit. Okay. Let's try and do it a few more times. Huh? It's not easy. Okay. Il pleut, bergère. Rentre tes blancs moutons. Allons sous ma chaumière. Bergère, vite, allons. J'entends sous le feuillage l'eau qui tombe à grand bruit. Voici, voici l'orage. Voici l'éclair qui luit. I'm a terrible singer. I'm sorry about that. But just try to repeat with me. Huh? It's the most important. Okay. Il pleut, bergère. Rentre tes blancs moutons. Allons sous ma chaumière, bergère vite allons. J'entends sous le feuillage l'eau qui tombe à grand bruit. Voici, voici l'orage, voilà l'éclair qui luit. One last time, ok? Il pleut, bergère, rentre tes blancs moutons. Allons sous ma chaumière, bergère vite, allons. J'entends sur le feuillage l'eau qui tombe à grand bruit. Voici, voici l'orage, voilà l'éclair qui luit. Okay, I love you all, take care everyone, and don't forget, give me thumbs up. Thank you.